Hello students, welcome to Sai's coaching classes. And in previous video we are learn about the geography of India with the help of the geographic division like Himalayas, the North Indian plains, the peninsula, coastal plains and island groups. I hope you can understand that previous part, and today we are going to learn about the geographic division of Brazil, okay, including the geographic division like as compared to India. We has to be learn with the help of the geographic division of Brazil like highlands, the great escarpment, coastal region and the plains and the Iceland group also. So with the help of this geographic division we learn about the Brazil. So just going to the PDF we will learn some important points, okay. So come on to the points, we will directly move to the map of Brazil, okay, and learn some basic things about the Brazil. Like yesterday or in a previous video we learn about the India, okay, like that. Here we can see here Guiana Highlands and Brazilian Highlands are the two highlands are present, okay, in Brazil, okay. So I'll just decrease the size of this image so you can understood this very well, okay. So wait for a minute. So this is the map of the Brazil and we can see like India, okay. This is the Brazil map and we see here various kinds of highlands also, okay. See, this is the Guiana Highlands, this is a Brazilian Highlands, this is a Amazon River, okay, and it's a basin of the Amazon River. So it is we can say that the coastal region where will be find around this here, okay. See, these are the ocean place and some islands also available, but little bit small as compared to India, like here, and one island on here we will be see, okay. So it will be created or it was created because of the Amazon River basin, okay. And this is the geographical area of the Brazil. If I'll increase this size, we see yesterday or in previous video the height of the peninsula, or we can say that height of the peninsula and whatever may be, so plains and all these things in India, it will be the around 6,000 meters, okay. But here we can see approximately 2 to 3,000 maximum height of the peninsula presented in a Brazil region. So with the help of this geographical division we will learn the geography of the Brazil including the points. So we will move to our PDF book so we can learn about the Brazil, okay. So अशा रीतीने जर तुम्हाला सांगायचं म्हटलं तर ब्राझील आणि इंडियामध्ये जर हा फरक जर पाहायला गेलो आपण, तर कालच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये देखील मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं, बिकॉज मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं की मी कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ मराठी आणि इंग्लिश या टाईपमध्ये इंग्रजी माध्यमाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना जॉग्रफी शिकवणार आहे. यस्टरडे आपण जर पाहिलं किंवा याच्या प्रिव्हियस व्हिडिओमध्ये जर पाहिलं तर देर आर 5 पॉईंट्स, ओके, लाईक वी हॅव टू म्हणजे वी लर्न अबाउट द including that 5 points, okay, which are that 5 points to divide the geography of India, that is Himalaya, the North Indian plains, peninsula, coastal plains and island groups. So Brazil also divided into the 5 geographic division and that we will see on our textbook, okay. So see here what is that we can see here, okay, just a minute. that which points are there. This is the highlands, then great escarpments, okay, then coastal region also we can see. These are the geographic division of Brazil, and also we see the plains also on here, okay. So one by one we will be see what is the that points, okay, and we will learn about that little bits, okay. We will learn the geographic region of the Brazil. So I'll read for you and I'll explain in Marathi or English, both language, okay. So see here, Brazil. Even a cursory look at the map will make you realize that a large part of Brazil is occupied by the highlands, okay, then plateaus and a small mountains. There are no very high and long extended mountains in the country, except for the northern Amazon basin and in southwest along the upper parts of a Paraguay basin. There are no wide plains in the country. Even the coastal plains are restricted in their expanse. The geographic division of Brazil are follows as, okay. Just a minute, I'll increase the size because I'll not visible properly, okay. Now we can see the properly, okay. And that geographic division already I'll explain you. That is, first one is the highlands, then the great escarpments and the coastal region and the plains and the island group, okay. मीन्स आता यांना सांगायचं आहे काय की इथे तसं पाहायला गेलं तर ब्राझीलमध्ये आपण जर प्राकृतिक विभागामध्ये जर पाहायला गेलो तर ब्राझीलचा बहुतांश भाग म्हणजे मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट हा कशाने व्यापलेला आहे तर प्लॅट्यूज, दॅन स्मॉल माउंटेन्स, ओके, अँड हायलँड्स, ओके. आणि यामध्ये जवळजवळ गियाना हायलँड्स आणि त्याच्यानंतर ब्राझील हायलँड्स हे काय होत आहेत तर मोठे तिथे मानले जात आहेत, ओके. अशा पद्धतीने आपण इथे मानलं जात आहे आणि मोठे मानले जातात. आणि अशा पद्धतीने तिथे आपण हे हायलँड्स पण पाहिले. आणि अशा पद्धतीने जर तिथे पाहायला गेलं तर खूप अशा मोठ्या प्रमाणामध्ये आपण गायना हायलँड्सच्या बाबतीमध्ये जर पाहायला गेलं तर तिथे आपल्याला पिको दी नेब्लिना वगैरे अशा पद्धतीच्या सगळ्या काही गोष्टी आपल्याला तिथे पाहायला मिळतात. आणि आपण 5 डिव्हिजनमध्ये या ब्राझीलला आपण पाहतो जिओग्राफिक डिव्हिजनमध्ये. एक म्हणजे द हायलँड, ओके. द हायलँड्स म्हणजे यालाच आपण मराठीमध्ये उच्चभूमी असं आपण म्हणतो. द ग्रेट एक्स्कार्पमेंट म्हटल्यावरती इथे त्याला आपण असं म्हणतो की अजस्त्र अशा कडा आपण म्हणतो ना, एक्स्कार्पमेंट खूप उंच कडा आहे असं आपण इथे म्हणतो. द कोस्टल रिजन आणि प्लेन्स अँड द आयलँड ग्रुप. आता कोस्टल रिजन म्हणजे किनारी प्रदेश, हे तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे. प्लेन्स म्हणजे पर्वतरांगा वगैरे आपण पाहायला मिळतात आणि आयलँड ग्रुप देखील इथं आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतो. चलो लर्न करूया आपण एकेका हायलँड्स बरोबर. हायलँड्स, ओके. द साउथर्न ब्राझील, ओके. द साउथर्न ब्राझील इज ऑक्युपाइड बाय अन एक्सटेन्सिव्ह प्लॅटो, ओके. इट इज डिफरंटली described as a Brazilian highlands or a Brazilian shield of or a Brazilian plateau. Brazilian and Guyana highlands together form the core of South American continent. The main part of the Guyana highlands is in Venezuela and it is extended up to a French Guiana. In Brazil, it covers the state of Roraima, Para and Ampa in the north. The lower part of these islands is found, highlands, I am not talking about islands, it's a highlands, is found in Brazil. But the highest peak of Brazil is Pico de Neblina, is 3014 meter high and lies on the border between the Brazil and Venezuela. Okay, म्हणजे आता इथे त्यांनी आपल्याला सांगितलंय की सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे की गियाना ह्या हायलँडमध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं तर पिको दी नेब्लिना हे सगळ्यात उंच काय आहे तर आपलं हायेस्ट पीक आहे असं इथं म्हटलं जातं. आणि त्याची हाईट किती आहे तर 3014 एवढी हाईट इथं दिलेलं आहे. ओके, So the region to the east and the south of the Brazilian highland have altitude of more than 1000 मीटर. आणि आपल्याकडचे altitude जर पाहिलेत ॲज कम्पेअर टू ब्राझील, दे आर अ व्हेरी हाईट, बट हिअर द altitude ऑफ द ब्राझील इज अप टू how many meters? 1000 meters. Okay, here, but in other parts of the altitude is between, पण काही ठिकाणी 500 to 1000 meters, म्हणजे हाईट किती कमी आहे बघा. but also it is called as a highlands. Okay, the highlands gradually slope towards the north and slopes are not very steep. Okay, आणि अशा पद्धतीने याचा काय आहे की जर पाहायला गेलं तर हे जे हायलँड्स आहेत हे कसे आहेत तर ग्रॅज्युअली स्लोप टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ, उत्तरेकडे त्याचा उतार आहे आणि स्लोप्स आर नॉट व्हेरी स्टेप्स, ह्यांचा हा जो उतार एवढा तीव्र देखील दिसत नाही. द ट्रिब्युटरीज ऑफ ॲमेझॉन फ्लोईंग थ्रू दिस रिजन मेक अ रॅपिड्स अँड वॉटरफॉल्स. टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ द स्लोप्स आर स्टीप बट नॉट ॲब्रप्ट. A number of rivers take off from the terminal portion of the highlands and flow northwards to meet a Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so this is about the highlands of the Brazil. Some major rivers like Uruguay and Paraguay and Paraná originated from the southern slopes of the highlands and enter the Argentina. It slopes towards the east, okay, and steeps and it's appear in the form of the escarpment. Okay, so this is about the highland of the Brazil. Already I'll explain with the help of the map also, but you have to detail study in the book, right, with the help of this paragraph. Now the great escarpment. Okay, आता ऑलरेडी आपण जर पाहिलं तर भारतामध्ये एवढे उंच उंच पर्वतरांगा आहेत ॲज कम्पेअर टू ब्राझील, त्यांची हाईट ॲज कम्पेअर टू ब्राझील व्हेरी हाय आहे. बट इथे ह्या अजस्त्र कडा ह्यांचा उतार तीव्र असल्या कारणामुळे हे जे एक्स्कार्पमेंट आहेत त्यामुळे याला ग्रेट एक्स्कार्पमेंट असं इथं म्हटलं गेलेलं आहे. ॲज पर ब्राझीलच्या दृष्टिकोनातून ते लार्जच आहेत, ॲज कम्पेअर टू इंडिया इट इज व्हेरी लो, बट ॲज कम्पेअर टू ब्राझील म्हणजे ब्राझीलच्या दृष्टिकोनातून ॲज पॉईंट ऑफ व्ह्यू ऑफ द ब्राझील इट विल बी दी very great escarpment. So that's why it was called here a great escarpment, though it occupies a very small area. बघा आताच म्हटलं की तिकडे एरिया खूप स्मॉल आहे, but the nature of its slope and the effect it has on the climate makes it a separate geographic region. बट त्याचं जे नेचर आहे की नाही त्या एक्स्कार्पमेंटचं किंवा त्या खडांचं, त्याच्यामुळे हवामानावरती, तिकडच्या हवामानावरती काहीतरी परिणाम होतो आणि म्हणून त्याला सेपरेट जिओग्राफिक डिव्हिजन किंवा रिजन इथे गणलं गेलेलं आहे. कशासाठी? ब्राझीलमध्ये याच्यासाठी सेपरेट रिजन त्याला सांगितलेलं आहे. द ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द हायलँड्स इज demarcated because of the escarpment. In this region, the altitude of the escarpment is 790 meter. Okay, so in some region the height decreases gradually. The escarpment is a very steep, particularly from Sao Paulo to Porto Alegre. The escarpment acts as a barrier to the southeast trade winds, giving rise to the rain shadow area in the north stream part of the highlands. The region to the north of this area is called as a drought quadrilateral. So इथे तुम्हाला गिव रिजन साठी हा प्रश्न येऊ शकतो. गिव जिओग्राफिकल रिजन. So you can write in your own, but you has to be use a geographical word in that. Okay, whatever you understand, जे काही तुम्हाला समजले तुम्ही ते चांगल्या रीतीने मांडू शकता, बट त्याच्यामध्ये जिओग्राफिकल वर्ड्स हे आले पाहिजे. So we learn about the highland also and the great escarpment also. Now we will going to learn the next, that is geographic डिव्हिजन, दॅट इज अ कोस्टल ऑर अ कोस्ट म्हणजे किनारी प्रदेश किंवा कोस्टल एरिया म्हटलात किंवा कोस्टल प्लेन्स म्हटलात तर किनारी प्रदेश म्हटलं तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला काही प्रॉब्लेम होणार नाही आहे. ओके, सो लेट्स से किनारीचे प्रदेश कसे आहेत ते आपण पाहूया, कोस्टल रिजन कसे आहेत ते आपण इथे पाहूया. ब्राझील हॅज, आता आय वॉन्टेड टू आस्क one question on here. Yesterday or a previous video we will learn about the coastal area of India. So can you tell me the how many how many area had cover, how many coastal area had cover in India? So it was 7,500 kilometer coastal area, okay, of Brazil, or India has a coastal line of about 7,500 kilometer. So in Brazil this is it was 7,400 kilometer. So it is a filling the blanks question. It's a MCQ type question, so you has to be remember that, okay. So Brazil has a coastal line of about 7,400 kilometer. One may divide that into two parts, namely northern and eastern coast. बरोबर आहे. सो कालही आपण पाहिलं की भारताला पण त्रिभुज प्रदेश निर्माण झालेला आहे, कारण तिन्ही बाजूने आपल्याकडे समुद्र आहे, किनारपट्टी आहे. तसं ब्राझीललाही तिन्ही बाजूने किनारपट्टी आहे, पण तरी सुद्धा त्यांनी त्यांच्या ह्या प्राकृतिक रचनेमध्ये त्यांचे दोन पार्ट केलेले आहेत, एक नॉर्थर्न कोस्ट आणि एक ईस्टर्न कोस्ट, ओके. सो द नॉर्थर्न कोस्ट एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम Amapá province in the north to Rio Grande to the north in the east. This can be called as a North Atlantic coast, okay. From there the eastern coast extends towards the south. The northern coast is characterized by mouths of many rivers, okay. So that's why see here what they say, the northern coast, okay, is characterized by the mouths of many rivers including the Amazon also. So therefore this region is a low-lying region. On this coast lie the Marajo Island, okay. लक्षात येत आहे की तिथे आयलँड्स तर खूप कमी प्रमाणात आहेत, पण एका म्हणजे जास्त करून ॲमेझॉन वगैरे ह्या सगळ्या नद्या ह्या नॉर्थर्न कोस्टमध्ये काय होतात की येतात आणि तिथे त्या समुद्राला मिळतात, आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय झालेलं आहे तिथे एक त्या ह्या सगळ्या नद्या तिथे येऊन मिळतात, त्याच्यामुळे तिथे एक आयलँड तयार झालेला आहे आणि त्याचं नाव आहे मराजो आयलँड. सो मराजो अँड अ साओ मॅक्रोस बेच. Marajo is a large coastal island located between the mouth of the river Amazon and river of Tocantins, okay. So the eastern coast receives large number of smaller river and the only major, okay, river which, wait a minute, which meets the Atlantic Ocean here in a São Francisco, okay. येते लक्षामध्ये. So the Brazilian coast is characterized by a large number of beaches and a sand dune complexes. The Brazilian coast is protected in some areas by a coral reefs and atoll islands, okay. सो अशा पद्धतीने इथे आपल्याला त्या नद्या सगळ्या किनारपट्टीकडे जात असल्या, समुद्राला मिळायला जात असल्या कारणामुळे त्यांच्या ह्या उगमापासून तिथे काय झालेलं आहे तर एक म्हणजे किनारपट्टीवरच एक बेट तयार झालेलं आहे. आणि कोणामुळे तर ह्या नद्यांमुळे, आणि त्याला आपण मराजो असं बेट असं आपण म्हणतो. सो दिस इज अबाउट दी थर्ड जिओग्राफिक डिव्हिजन दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ व्हॉट, द कोस्टल रिजन. So we learn about the highlands, that is the first geographic division of Brazil. Then second we learn about the Great Escarpment. This is the second division, geographic division of Brazil. And third also we learn, that is the coastal region of the Brazil. Now we are going to learn the fourth geographic region, that is plains. As compared to India, they have a very less height of a plains located in Brazil as compared to India, because India has had lots of high peaks and high plateaus in our India as compared to Brazil. But Brazil also have the plains and a plateau, but around the height I think supposed to be 2000 to 3000 like and in India it will be the up to 6,000, 6,500, 7,000. So let's going to learn about the geographic division, that is the plains in Brazil. Okay, so what they say, the plains in Brazil are confined to two areas, namely the Amazon basin and the north and Paraguay Parana source region in the southwest. Amazon plains lying between the two highlands from the largest plain land of Brazil. Amazon plains lying in the northern parts of Brazil generally slope eastwards. The Amazon basin is quite wide in the west, about the 1300 km, and it narrow eastward. Its width is minimum where the Guiana highlands and the Brazilian highlands comes closer, that is 240 km. You know very well कशा पद्धतीने त्यांचं ते प्लेन्स कमी होत चालले ते पाहताय जर दोन आयलँड जर मध्ये आले तर. As the river approaches the Atlantic Oceans, the width of the plains increases. These are mostly forested areas and largely inaccessible due to the frequent flooding and a dense undergrowth. Most of the Amazon plains are covered by the tropical rainforest. Okay, so the other plains of Brazil, okay, are located to the southern part of the highlands. Okay, they form the source of the region of Paraguay and Parana rivers. The source region of Paraguay slopes towards the south, while the source region of Parana slopes towards the southwest. Okay, so Pantanal is one of the largest wetlands in the world. It lies towards the southeast part of the highland area. It is a region of swamps and marshes in northwestern Mato Grosso do Sul in Brazil and extended in Argentina too. Okay, so like this way there are various coastal area in Brazil we will see, and also there are some great coastal area available in Brazil also, that we also see with the help of this paragraph. Now we will learn about the fourth geographic division, that is a plains, and we see how many also learn about the plains and coastal region. Also we can learn about the Brazil's geographic division. Okay, now we will learn about the now that is islands. Okay, islands च्या बद्दल आता आपल्याला बोलायचं आहे. तर आता ॲज कम्पेअर टू इंडियामध्ये बरेचसे असे आयलँड्स आपल्याला सी मध्ये पाहायला मिळतात, समुद्रात पाहायला मिळतात. लाईक लक्षद्वीप आहे, अंदमान निकोबार आहे. इज इट सो? इन ब्राझील देर आर ऑल्सो सम आयलँड्स, बट लिटिल बिट आयलँड्स आर अवेलेबल. ओके, so beside the mainland, some islands are also included in Brazil. They can be classified into a coastal islands and a marine island. Most of the coastal islands have a form due to the deposition. Okay, already मी तुम्हाला explain केलंय मगाशी coastal area मध्ये. So marine island were a part of the mainland. They are more than 300 kilometers away from the mainland in the Atlantic Ocean. These islands are mostly rocky and they are the top of the submerged mountain, and the islands near the coast, okay, near the coast of the South Atlantic Ocean are coral island, and they are called atolls. Okay, they are called as a atolls. So this is about the fifth and that is the last one, that is the island groups of geographic division of the Brazil. So like India also there are 5 geographic division. Brazil also have a 5 geographic division, that is the highlands, the great escarpment, the coastal region, the plains and the islands groups. That also we learn here properly. And right now म्हणजे अशा रीतीने आपण ह्याचं देखील काय पाहिलं तर सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे तर ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी आपण जाणून घेतल्या, चांगल्या रीतीने तुम्हाला समजल्या असतील अशी मी इथे आशा करतोय. ओके, इफ आय होप यू कॅन अंडरस्टूड ऑल दिस all the points or all the geographic division, okay, in here. Okay, so in the next part, because the chapter ha dhada खूप मोठा आहे, in the next part we will learn about the drainage. Okay, and it also we will learn about the drainage of India and Brazil. It is also we have to learn in a comparatively, like in India how many drainages and how the drainages in India and what is the features and all these things, including some main drainage points we will learn in the next part, that is part number 3. Okay, so I hope so you also understood today's video and also you like this video. I hope so. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.